He is, yeah, he's got good variations as well, and I think could be a good pitch for him. This might suit him well.
Down the ground, opportunity taken by Rovman Powell.
Yeah, second ball trying to take him downtown and not quite getting to the pitch. Not quite timing it. Easy catch for Rovman Powell. Well judged on the boundary, actually. Never all that easy when you've got the boundary.
Khan has a slip in place. Oh, that's close. He thinks it's out. James Middlebrook does not. That was a good celeb appeal from Rashid Khan. Is he going to talk Lewis Gregory into using a review? Yes, he is.
Okay, Hawkeye says out, so James will have to ask you to
Rashid
change your
Khan
decision.
knew our question within the pod. Was it pitching just outside of that blue line, outside the leg? Thought it was, hence why he didn't.
Well, somewhere near that total.
Caught behind, is it? Yes, given. Oh, it's another one for Rashid Khan. He's only bowled 6 balls, half of them he's taken a wicket. Little reverse attempted by Keaton Jennings. And another spirit batsman himself back.
Yeah, a bit of a collector's item that. Keaton Jennings not timing a reverse sweep. It's one of his stronger shots, one of his go-to shots against spin. Looks like he just came off either the face of the bat or a glove maybe behind to the keeper. Good catch. Rashid Khan just did.
Rashid Khan cannot bowl again. Huge appeal for LBW. Rashid likes it. James Middlebrook doesn't. For review.
Okay, ball tracking coming up.
Roll out, take ultra.
So it's given not out on field. So I'm going to ask you, James, to change your decision to out. Stand by. You're on screen.
And he finishes with 4. Incredible night for Rashid Khan. 4 for 24. Another big wicket going the way of the Trent Rock.